Hey guys, this is McNeil from Louison Automotive. Today I'm going to one of our dealer auctions again. This one's not a salvage auction, it's just a traditional auction. We have lots of sellers there from all the major manufacturers: Ford Canada, Mercedes Canada, Nissan, Toyota, just name it. Like, we basically all the manufacturers sell there. A lot of the trades, they off lease, lots of good products, repos. I'm hoping to be able to make a detailed video for you guys to show you what the auction's like. You know, where the dealers drop off the cars, because there's dealer consignments too. So dealers who have cars on the lot that they couldn't move within a 30 or maybe 90-day time. Each dealer have a certain time frame. They want to move the car in 30 days, 45 days, 90 days. You know, not all car sells within 15 minutes. You know, like every dealer wants you to believe, or within the day. No, some cars take 3-4 months, maybe even 6 months to sell, especially if you have a lot that have maybe over 100 cars. You don't turn over every single car within 30 days. So in order to keep moving that money around and keeping that inventory refresh, we trade cars amongst ourselves. So if I have a car that I can't sell for, you know, a couple of weeks, a couple of months, then I would send to a dealer auction. Some other dealer buys it off of me, and I buy a new unit for my lot. So I'll take you inside, show you what that action's like. Hey guys, I'm at the auction now. This is just a dealer parking lot, so it's pretty early for the auction, so there's not too many dealers here yet. But this parking lot is normally really filled. It's what your dealers drive. Normally there's parking. This parking lot is really full. It's already filling up. Tons of cars. Teslas, Ford, Porsche. They drive it all. Lexus. And it's pretty early. These are the early guys. You come in early to just see what's, you know, the cars that you wanted to buy, if they're in good condition. People can spec them before the auction starts off. This empty lot here is what we call the show you. It's what you call the dealer, like, it's a chute. So if you want to sell your car at the dealer auction, you sign in over there with security, where you see that black Corvette is. So you're gonna get your car checked in. You drop it off in the chute here, and that's when the car will be checked in. So all of these cars here are waiting to get signed in for the auction. So they probably will be available for next week auction. So dealers drop them off, finance companies, leasing companies, rental companies. You give all the information to the security at the booth, and your car get logged in for the next auction. By the end of the auction, this chute here might be full of cars, because sometimes dealers drop off a car that they want to sell here today, and they go right into the auction and buy something new. So this guy's dropping his Corvette off, but you can see that come in. Hopefully you can see through the fence area. I think you can see. Okay, let's go inside. Bunch of Teslas here. Now I got my access pass. I gotta swipe my card in and get this auction bid number. That's gonna get me into the auction, which I'm now inside. This section here has a couple of Teslas, Mercedes, Model X, because there's a charger right over there. So normally this section here is always full up of Teslas, lots of Teslas. It's quite close to the Mercedes spot. All these cars here are being sold by Mercedes Canada, like just being refinanced. So even that Civic would be sold by Mercedes, so somebody must have traded in at Mercedes. Whenever you see that Mercedes sticker on there is because it's been sold by Mercedes. So this is what we look out for. There's the sticker on the windshield, tells us which lane the car is going to run at, what the kilometers on the car is, and the year and the information that we need. There is a lot of Mercedes. Mercedes run every week here at this auction. So I guess that's another little bit of inside information for you. A lot of people believe that the independent dealers, you know, we only sell junk, or we could only get access to junk, right? You like salvage auctions. We can buy cars at salvage auction too, obviously, but a lot of dealers come here are licensed like Mercedes dealers, so they own different Mercedes dealerships, and they come here to buy, to bid in side by side of independent dealers. When I say independent, I mean you're not associated with a franchise like a Honda, Toyota, or any of that stuff, right? We get cars from the exact same spot. These actually normally do pretty well on my lot. Those Acura MDXs, they sell so quickly. People love them. We could go check out another section and see what else we can find in here. Whoa. Oh, look at this one. Bentley, baby. That would look good in one of those. That looks nice.